In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish and launch your Lovable site live on the web. If you finish building your project and you're ready for other people to see it online, the publishing process is very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to move from your editor to a live website, including how to choose a domain, update your DNS settings, and confirm that SSL is working properly before launch. To begin, go to the top navigation panel inside Lovable and click the Publish or Deploy button. This is the area where Lovable prepares your project to be accessible online. Once you open it, you'll see the options available for hosting your site. Take a moment here to review the deployment settings carefully, because this is where you decide how visitors will access your website. Next, choose whether you want to use the default Lovable domain host or connect a custom domain. If you want the fastest and simplest option, the default Lovable domain is usually the easiest way to get online quickly. On the other hand, if you already own a domain and want your project to appear under your own web address, click Add Custom Domain. This option is ideal if you're publishing a client project, a business site, or anything you want to look more polished and branded. After that, you'll need to update your domain provider's DNS records based on the deployment modal settings shown in Lovable. Typically, this means adding or editing the A record and the CNAME record so they point to the correct destination. It's important to copy these values exactly as displayed in the deployment window. Even a small mistake, like an extra space or incorrect character, can prevent the domain from connecting properly. Also keep in mind that DNS changes are not always instant. Depending on your provider, it may take some time for those updates to propagate fully across the internet. Once your DNS records have been updated, return to Lovable and check the SSL status. This step matters because SSL enables the secure HTTPS connection that visitors expect when they open your site. If SSL is still processing, give it a little time and refresh again later. You want to make sure the certificate is active before sending traffic to your domain. Finally, once the SSL status is verified and everything looks correct, go ahead and launch your site live to the web. At that point, your project is publicly accessible and ready to share. As a quick tip, after launch, open your site in a browser and test the domain yourself to confirm that it loads correctly, shows HTTPS, and matches the version you intended to publish. That's it. You've successfully deployed your Lovable site.